Sorry if there's any wind noise, you're on the GoPro. I've not tested the mic else on this yet. Just to give you a bit of information, so just got into Brussels, been into the hostel looks good. Just about to head into Brussels town centre now and see what there is to find. Okay, talk to you in a bit. So I'm just walking around Brussels town. I've managed to get myself booked onto one of those free walking tours. I'm just trying to find out where we are getting, where we're meeting, and that'll hopefully get me to see quite a lot of the city. Really good way, especially if you're travelling on a budget. You get your bearings, see where you like, and then go back once the tour's done. I think this tour is about 2 hours. So it's a good way to spend a bit of your time and getting your head around the city a little bit. Okay, catch you in a bit. Okay guys, I found the location where the tour is, right in the centre. Could not be a better location to start. As you can see, all the buildings are amazing. Yeah, as I said, the tour's about 2 hours. Look forward to getting started. Starts in about 5 minutes. I'll try and get some footage for you, and I'll catch up with you once it's done. Okay, speak to you in a bit. Way through the tour, someone from Starbucks just came over and offered a tray of small little coffees, so that was nice. Okay guys, just finished the tour. Yeah, it was about 2 hours, saw some really cool stuff. Just got into Delirium, one of the bars here. It's pretty famous. Gonna have a couple of drinks and then head back out and see what else I can see. Okay, catch you later. Hi guys, so just got to, I think it's called the Graffiti Park. I'll put what it's actually called here. Basically, it's where the council have let people come in and do some graffiti art on under the bridges. I think there's about 150 pieces of art. Let's go check it out. Okay, we've just got back from the park and we're trying to find a sort of rooftop point where we can sit out. We've heard there's a couple around town, but for some reason there seems to be a lot of Christmas trees all over the floor around the city. So having looked online, we saw that the library was supposed to have a good rooftop that we can go and get some good pictures from. However, so we've been walking around trying to find the best way to the rooftop, and we seem to have got lost a little bit. We just ended up in a office room. We're now walking to try and get out of the building and see what we can do. Okay, yeah, so I don't think that went to plan. We're going to try and go back to the hostel and see what we can do from there. Hey guys, just got out of the hostel. I got in last night and was in no state to finish off the video. I'm just going to head into the airport now and fly off to Madrid. Catch you when I get there. Just seen this waffle place before getting on the train. Thought I'd give it a quick go. Thanks for watching guys, catch you later.